Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the storm in Texas. Yes, I am trying to film today, and it is raining heavily, and you can hear it on my garden window. It's hitting it. You hear that noise, the pitter-patter of rain, which I know we're in a drought and we need it, so I'm thankful for that. But I hope I can get through this video with you guys. I have a new product that was sent to me by Tiana. She is from Amazon, has an Amazon company, and represents Desibumn brand. And she has sent me a box, and it is called a box of hugs. And I want to tell you all about it. This, like I said, is the Desibumn Get Well Soon Gifts for Women. This is for someone who's sick, maybe having chemo care, maybe in other kind of special care. It's for thinking of you gifts for women. It's great for a Get Well Soon gift basket. And it's just great for anyone that may be sick or down or maybe depressed and needs a little pick-me-up. And it runs $25.99, so it's very affordable. It's not a subscription. You can buy this on Amazon, and I will leave the link down in my description so that you can easily go and purchase it if you have a friend that needs a little pick-me-up, whether it be from sickness or any other situation that might be going on that you'd want to give them a box of hugs, because I think that's just a cute little packaging, don't you? That is just adorable. And I will tell you a little bit about what's in the product. It says that it's beautiful and fragrant care packages for women. Each item that Desibumn Get Well Soon gives has been carefully selected with love, beautiful designs, rich colors, and enchanting scents. Each Get Well basket includes a stainless steel cup with a straw and scented candles. Well, we'll get into that, okay? And it's suitable for many occasions to wish those to get well soon. And it's very meaningful, and it's a comfort, and it's an unforgettable package for someone you love. So let's get on to this box. All right, guys, I'm gonna open it up here. And like I was telling you, it's packaged very nice, and who wouldn't want to get a box of hugs? Oh, and this is the inside, just to give you a little sneak peek. And I probably won't have a product card. I'll just have to show you what's in here. So if you've got someone special you want to send a special gift to, they would be getting some Sending Hugs Camille soap, which smells good. And this is nature and handmade soap, very nice. There is a Get Well Soon card in there that you can personally personalize it, so it comes with your card, which is very nice to know. It comes with a cozy pair of socks, and it's got a little heart on there, and guys, these are like really soft, really soft. So anyone would love getting a pair of blue, soft little fuzzy socks. And we have some bath bombs. Oh, look at that. They're all in pastel colors. We've got a pink one, a cream colored one, and then we've got a blue one, and they've got some little decoration in there. I don't know what the scents are, but they smell lovely and would be very nice in their bath. It looks like they're sending a little Get Well plant along with it. Isn't that a nice sentiment? And even if it's not for a get well, it's just for a friend, they would love this. Like maybe even for a spa day. Our next item in here is a Sending You a Big Hug. And this is 100% natural soy. And the lid did get a little bent during shipping. I'll see if I can straighten it out a little bit. Oh, it has a lovely scent. It's just Sending You a Big Hug candle. And it doesn't have the scent on here. It just says it's a hug in a jar. Isn't that cute? I mean, they've got it curated very well, and that smells good. I want to say it has like a vanilla scent to it, and it's got nice little decoration on there, and it's a hug in a jar. So they're sticking with their theme, which is very nice. And then their cup is Sending You a Big Hug to brighten your day. Oh, that's so lovely. This could be for anything. I mean, it doesn't have to be necessarily for someone sick. Even if you're sending a hug for somebody that's down and out, or you might be sending a hug to somebody that might have just maybe had something great happen in their life, and you just want to help them celebrate it a little bit and give them a big hug. So yeah, this is really nice. It is stainless steel, and it's very nice. Has the lid on there so you can close it back up real easily, and it even comes with a straw and the cleanser. You do want to cleanse your straws, so you have both of those. You have the mug, and that is what we have in our little care package. So what do you guys think? Isn't this just a cute little box? For $25.99, I think it's a great gift idea. So I will leave the link down in the bottom for you to head over to Amazon if you're interested. But we have the Hugs mug. We have Sending You a Big Hug, a Hug in a Jar candle. We got our 3 little bath bombs. We got our Camille soap that's handmade. We got these cozy little blue socks. We got this cute little plant that looks like a little succulent. And they also throw in the Get Well Soon card that you can personalize. So I think that's excellent. I would purchase this for a friend or for someone that was feeling sick, wouldn't you? That is just so sweet. So let me know, do you have a favorite? I think my favorite's gonna be the cup, Sending You a Big Hug to brighten your day. I like that. And then, of course, I always got to have a nice pair of socks. These are my 2 favorite things. So let me know in the comments what's your favorite thing. And what do you think about this? For $25.99, isn't it a great idea? I mean, it would even make maybe a nice Christmas present. And let me know in the description what was your favorite. And that's all I have for the box of hugs. And be sure and check my descriptions for anything that's currently going on. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.